If you want to add a calendar widget on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so here is a couple ways of doing this. The first one is to open up your settings, then scroll down to your lock screen section, lock screen in AOD, find your edit lock screen option. And here in the list of widgets, you can add up your calendar. So for example, let's add up this one. Something widget area may be full, so make sure that you have a space for it. Great, we edit a calendar, now simply press down and it will be saved. So the second way of doing this is pretty much the same. So on your lock screen, simply hold your finger, unlock it if you have any lock, and basically the same, tap on the widget, calendar, choose a calendar, press down. And there it is. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.